back to Roscoe's Vlog 9. I'm back today with a little tutorial and how to do video to make a picture frame. Yes, the trailer project is still going on, and I made the channel trailer, so you probably saw that a couple days ago if you've been following along with all my content. This is just a little kind of filler spot. The trailer's taking a little bit longer to get to the next part and get done, so I figured why not make a picture holder. So what I did was I went and took a 3-inch cutter, air cutter if that makes difference to anybody, and put a nut on the vice ace, and voila, in half. I then took a few nails, steel of course, for all of this so I can weld it, but did that. And I shined them all up, grinded them so there are no hard edges that'll cut anybody. I plan to use a clear coat on this at some point, although I think I'm out and I'll have to go get some. So that would be the last step, which unfortunately won't be included in this. But right now I'm about to weld it. So here, enjoy some welding content. Our final product. Just a short little how-to video. My welder is being super weird. I don't know, it just doesn't want to ground or something. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. It's not old either, it's basically brand new despite all the dust, so I'll have to figure that out at some point, unless somebody else knows why it just booger welds randomly and doesn't ground despite it being basically on the ground. But yeah, came out pretty nice. Nia cleaned it up with the polishing wheels and whatnot, but I think it'll turn out pretty nice. I'll cut to some beauties right now, but don't forget to comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Hey, like it up.